Alright guys, so I just thought I would record this because yeah, I just thought you guys would get a kick out of it. So I'm actually going away from the DC right this second because I'm hungry and I have a trailer right now, see? So I already called ahead and I ordered some Indian food, and hopefully I timed it just right that by the time I get there it'd be ready for me to pick up, so I'm not, you know, in the way for too long. But this could be a little bit of crazy maneuvering, just because I'm being too lazy to go drop the trailer, then come to this side of town, pick up my food, then go back to Walmart, pick up my next trailer, and then go in the other direction because I won't be coming back this way. So I was like, you know what, let me do it all at once, come this way first because I'm closer to this side of town now, and pick up my food, eat some of my food, get my next trailer, and then, you know, roll on to my next Walmart stop. And I also picked up dinner, well, lunch, dinner, whatever, for tomorrow. So I'm picking up 2 meals today. And I actually probably be able to eat on both of those for the rest of today and tomorrow. So for 30 bucks for 2 full days worth of food, it's not a bad price. While we're also waiting for this light, Loves, y'all are freaking awesome. 2 of the Lowe's stops that I've stopped at, I went to pay for my coffee and they were like, hey man, have the coffee. They haven't charged me. I don't know of any other major truck stop that would just do that. Lowe's is just, I don't know. And I'm not even, they don't even sponsor my YouTube channel, but just for them to sit there and just be giving free coffee to truck drivers right now, that's freaking awesome. I don't know if they're doing it for everybody or what, but 2 different Loves I was at, they were just like, hey, you know, don't even worry about paying, just have a good one. Even though I had credits for the free coffee, they'd even allow me to use my free credit. So yeah, thumbs up. Now, right over here is a restaurant called Roopa's. It's a Indian restaurant here in Temple, Texas. They have freaking delicious food. Now, can I get a semi-truck to their place? Honestly, I don't know. I haven't tried it. So we're gonna find out if you could actually get a semi-truck there and how to do it. I've taken trucks and trailers to different food places to pick up food before. I've been here in my personal vehicle, so I'm pretty sure I could get in there just fine with the truck and trailer. But we will see here in just a second. And we're gonna take this turn from this lane right here. And I'm actually gonna need that lane over there. Ooh, that's actually gonna be a little on the tight side. But there's a Aldi's gas station right over there. I mean, not gas station. Or I think it's over that way. So I know trucks can get down this way. It's just a matter of just trying to pull in there. So, and of course a car comes right up on this side. So I'm gonna have to watch for that while I turn in here. And I'll wait until those cars all are gone out of my way. And then, since I'm actually making a right-hand turn, I could do that on a red. Even though I'm not technically in that right-hand turn lane, but we'll make it work. And there you go. So sometimes you just gotta take your time and do things safely. Oh, it's a Goodwill. I thought that was a store. Oh yeah, that's the different street. Never mind. And then I can get in here and I'd be able to get out just fine too. So we'll just come up like show. come in here like this and park right here. All right, I'm gonna pick up my food real quick and then I'll show you the process of getting back out of here. It will take a little bit of footwork, but it'll be doable. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I got my food sitting right there. And also had to change the GoPro battery. But as you can see, we're still in the exact same position that we were in before. So over there we have the white car, the red car, there's no other vehicle. We see that the white vehicle is moving. We'll make sure that it is gone. So we only have the red one, so we need to just keep an eye on that red one, make sure we don't have a vehicle coming behind us. So situation aware of what's going on before we start moving. We're also gonna go ahead and turn on our flashers so people know that, hey, we gotta maneuver a little bit, and we're gonna bring our tandems out this way. I'm gonna get them up near these cars right here. So I'm just gonna maneuver like so. Keep an eye on that red vehicle because guess what? There's somebody in it. So if somebody's in a vehicle, they're likely to move it. We don't want them to as we're trying to maneuver these trailers around. So now that I got space here, now I can just go out and watch this. So I was nice up and close to that curb, so I was not in the way of anybody. But now we're just gonna jackknife this around here. Stay on the far edge of this curb right here. And we'll come out perfectly. Totally doable with a truck and trailer. And everybody is waving at that. Oh, that was good. Oh, that was good. Hey, you gotta give a thumbs up for that maneuvering job right there. You know, so as you saw, I was up against the curb. You don't need to block anybody in, okay? So be respectful of a business that you're going to. And for people to be able to get in and out, okay? And then think about what you need to do. So in that case, because I had to make a sharp U-turn, I moved my trailer tandems to close to the cars, but paying attention to, you know, your swing, right? Because, you know, the wheels are up here, so you have some back of that trailer that's out here. Pay attention to that, make sure you don't get too close. And then I just, you know, once I got that angle there, I went to that curb, ran out of room. Don't pop the curb unless you absolutely have to. In that case, I didn't need to. Just reverse, back up a little bit, get that trailer angled a little, and then stick it right on the curb. And as you saw, I didn't touch a curb anywhere. Not with the trailer, not with the truck. Didn't go over any grass. Didn't get close to any vehicle or any non-movable objects that could cause damage. So go slow, think about what you need to do, and know how that trailer is going to move around you. And guess what? It's easy. And I got some freaking delicious food to eat. I'm actually going to turn the AC off back there. I don't want that to cool down my freaking yummy food. I might do some like quick B-roll footage while I, you know, eat some of my food. So, you know, stay tuned for that. If I don't end up doing that because I'm just freaking hungry and, you know, time. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And you definitely have to hit that thumbs up for that getting into that parking lot, but mostly getting out without hitting a curb. That was awesome. Anyway, thank you for watching. Yep, green light. All right, so don't have too much time, but I have enough time to get this out, show you guys what this looks like, and just, oh, look at that. Oh, hell yeah. That's my tikka masala, some rice for that, and then this is my chicken biryani. I eat that as in 2 different meals. And when I'm at Walmart, I'm gonna pick up some naan bread. But I'm hungry now and I don't have any, so that's fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right into the cooler, which I do need to clean. Yeah, it is what it is. And I guess, I don't know what this is right here. Let me try it. Ooh, I think that's for the biryani rice. I don't think I've had this. I don't think they've given me this before. That's good. I don't know what that would be called though. These are pretty good though. I kind of use that as to like cleanse or to cool my mouth down. I guess I'll save those. Let me get a fair bit of rice here. Now, I don't know how you're supposed to eat this or whatever. This is just the way I do it. I just put the rice in the bottom and then I spoon a bit of this right on top. Because I like the sauce and the on my rice and all of that. So we're gonna dig out some of the chicken pieces here. Oh, hell yeah. Guys, I wish you could smell this. Although this is a little bit more yellow than it was last time. Guess they use a bit of more cream in it than the other time. And then this I could actually eat twice on too. I guess my dog just got some. Right there. But as I was saying, this just smells delicious. And then I'll spoon out some of this sauce right here. That's about half. Because I eat this twice too. And it's like $15 a piece. You know, 15 for this one, 15 for the other one. And this will be dinner, and then that's lunch and dinner for tomorrow. So for $30 for basically 4 meals, it's not bad. That's not bad at all. And just look at that. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, they add a little bit of extra cream, but it actually tastes really good like that too. I don't mind. Anyway, I'm gonna get off of here. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, rate, and subscribe while I devour this delicious food right here. So, see ya. Thank you. Bye.